COVID-19 may behave like other common cold coronaviruses in the next few years, affecting mostly young children who have not been vaccinated or exposed to the virus, according to a modeling study published on Thursday. The US Norwegian team noted that because COVID-19 severity is generally lower among children, the overall burden from this disease is expected to decline as the SARS-CoV-2 virus becomes endemic in the global population, reports PTI. Following infection by SARS-CoV-2, there has been a clear signature of increasingly severe outcomes and fatality with age, said Otto Bjornstad from the University of Oslo in Norway. Yet our modeling results suggest that the risk of infection will likely shift to younger children as the adult community becomes immune either through vaccination or exposure to the virus, he said. The study published in the journal Science Advances noted that such shifts have been observed in other coronaviruses and influenza viruses as they have emerged and then became endemics. Historical records of respiratory diseases indicate that age incidence patterns during virgin epidemics can be very different from endemic circulation, Bjornstad said. Bjornstad, however, cautioned that if an immunity to reinfection by SARS-CoV-2 wanes among adults, the disease burden could remain high in that group, although previous exposure to the virus would lessen the severity of the disease. Empirical evidence from seasonal coronaviruses indicates that prior exposure may only confer short-term immunity to reinfection. Allowing recurrent outbreaks, this prior exposure may prime the immune system to provide some protection against severe diseases, said Bjornstad. The team developed a realistic age-structured RAS mathematical model that integrates demography, degree of social mixing, and duration of infection blocking and disease-reducing immunity to examine potential future scenarios for age incidence and burden of mortality for COVID-19. The researchers analyzed disease burden over immediate, medium, and long terms 1, 10, and 20 years respectively. For many infectious respiratory diseases, prevalence in the population surges during a virgin epidemic but then recedes in a diminishing wave pattern as the spread of the infection unfolds over time towards an endemic equilibrium, said Ruan Lee, a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Oslo. Depending on immunity and demography, our RAS model supports this observed trajectory. It predicts a strikingly different age structure at the start of COVID-19 pandemic compared to the eventual endemic situation, he added. The researchers noted that in a scenario of long-lasting immunity, either permanent or at least 10 years, the younger are predicted to have the highest rates of infection as older individuals are protected from new infections by prior infection. News Desk, Comedy English.